Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change the password on your SoundCloud account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to reset or recover your SoundCloud account's password, let's first open up your preferred browser, and after opening your preferred browser, click on search bar, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and click on search bar and type in soundcloud.com like this and hit enter, and you'll be redirected to the home page of SoundCloud. And this is the home page of SoundCloud, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in button available over here just beside the create account. And if you have not yet created an account on SoundCloud, click on create account on the orange button over here to go to the registration page of SoundCloud. Now to reset our password, let's click on sign in first, and after that enter your username over here of which you want to reset the password of, and after that click on continue. And just before you sign into your SoundCloud account, on the page where you will be required to enter your password, you can see there is the don't know your password option available over here in the blue highlighted color just below the sign in button. Click on don't know your password, and you will be required to enter the username of your SoundCloud account of which you want to reset the password. And after that you can see the request a password which is option available over here. Click on request a password reset, then you can see the email authenticated to your SoundCloud account username will be sent, or on that link or email will be sent from the SoundCloud to reset your password. So let's go to our email, and I have registered on SoundCloud for my Gmail account, and there is the SoundCloud account's request to change Matt Boydup's account password, and you can see, let's click on over here, and on this mail you can see there is the hey Matt Boydup, we received a request to change your password on SoundCloud, and it says click here, whereas here is highlighted in blue, which is the link to reset our password. Click on this button on here on our email, and after that the link to change our password will open on SoundCloud on another tab where you'll be required to enter your new password over here, and after that confirm your password by retyping on this space, and then click on save to change or reset your password on SoundCloud. And there guys, this is how you change or reset your SoundCloud password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.